Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the One UI 7 update for the Samsung Galaxy A34. So the One UI 7 update is one of the most awaited updates and it will be one of the biggest updates as well as it will bring a lot of UI changes. But currently we are running on the beta versions and the sad part is that the beta versions are only limited to the flagship models like the S24 series, but now it is also available for some other models, and in the A series only the A55 series is included in the beta version. But now finally the wait is over and it is officially announced that the One UI 7 update will be available in the month of April. And that's a good part, that finally we have a month in which the One UI 7 official update will be announced, as the One UI 7 update is already too much delayed. And talking about the features on the A34, so this will bring a lot of new features like new stability improvements and a new control panel. A redesigned control panel will be coming up with the One UI 7 update. The control panel was redesigned in the One UI 6 update as well, but now with the One UI 7 update, it is going to get a redesign again. Further, you will get to see some new app icons with the One UI 7 update. These new app icons will give your device a fresh new look. Also, with a new update, we might get to see some new wallpapers as well. And we will also get to see some new widgets available with the One UI 7 update. And furthermore, many other features are expected to come with the One UI 7 update. And talking about the release date, so the release date is not announced yet for the Galaxy A34, but the release month is April. But we will get to see this update a bit delayed, as the first of all this update will roll out on the flagship models and then on the A series. So that means that we will have to wait a bit more for the release on the A34. And that's wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you that the One UI 7 update is on the way for the Samsung Galaxy A34 and the release month is now announced, and that is the April.